CWEB, Celebrity News. Kate Beckinsale sues Canary Black producers over serious onset injury in Croatia. Acclaimed actress Kate Beckinsale has filed a lawsuit against the producers of Canary Black, citing alleged negligence that led to a severe knee injury during filming in Croatia. The legal action claims that unsafe working conditions and the absence of proper stunt support contributed directly to her injury. According to the lawsuit, Beckinsale suffered a complex tear in her left meniscus after performing a physically demanding stunt without sufficient padding or safety precautions. Directed by Pierre Morel, Taken, Canary Black is a high-stakes spy thriller that premiered on Amazon Prime Video on October 3, 2024. The film follows a CIA agent forced to betray her country to rescue her kidnapped husband. Read the full article on CWEB.com.